Our durability testing is generally designed to put the engine through the paces that a customer would and then take it even further. So if any of you have ever used a power drill before, you know how quick the response is when you pull the trigger or release it, starting and stopping the motor of the drill. These dynamometers have that exact same capability. So we are able to almost instantly rev the engine to any speed we want or decrease the engine speed to any speed we want. Using the dynamometers in that fashion, we are able to simulate extreme conditions on the engine. Today we are testing a 5.7 Hemi engine with the optional e-torque system, capable of capturing energy during engine decelerations and storing them in the 48-volt battery pack. That energy can then later be used to help during engine accelerations or for engine stop and starts. That technology is imperative to help in increasing our fuel economy. This engine is available for use in the Ram 1500. Some basic durability testing that we do would be to run the engine at peak power for, say, 200 plus hours, which is 5,600 RPM at wide open throttle. We have cells capable of doing deep thermal shock, plumbing the engine with negative 15 degree Fahrenheit coolant, negative 5 degree Fahrenheit engine oil. We also run tests through our newly upgraded 8-speed transmission and 4x4 transfer cases. In fact, all powertrain components of the Ram 1500 will be tested in similar conditions, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The 2019 Ram also offers an upgraded Pentastar V6 that comes standard with the e-torque system on it. It's specifically tuned for truck duty and rated at 305 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque. The newest Pentastar V6 includes additional advanced technologies such as wide-range variable valve timing and two-step variable valve lifts. We put our engines through the brutal test that we do to make sure that our powertrains will withstand anything the customer can throw at a vehicle.